Hi guys, this is Shahirun.
This is Altaf Sarwar.
We are Team Felix. We are currently studying Computer Science and Engineering from Weltech University in third year. Our team is known to be one of the competitive team from CSC department. We basically focus on tech-based hackathons, more like ideathons, and more of technical, non-technical startup pitching also. We have worked under many deep learning AI/ML based projects and startup pitching. And some of the competitions that we have won is
We made the project like Automated Waste Segregation system using sensors and image segmentation. We have won the competition like VISAI, an international project expo which was conducted by our college Weltech University, and we were the finalist of Smart India Hackathon 2024, and we have done a lot of competitive experiment like this. Went through a lot of IITs also.
For all of this achievement, I would like to thank our most respected project coordinator, Dr. Uma Nandini ma'am, our HODs, faculties, and respected dean sir. Our department is being very much helpful for these achievements and supporting us throughout the semester, throughout these years. They are very keen, and it's a very much of relief that they support us with fundings and everything, expenses for going and traveling to other states for these competitions. These were some of the list of the competitions that we won and achievements, and we are focused to do so in future. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.